big development now taking place with regards to the Speaker's post. We are learning no consensus has been formed between the government and the opposition to field a joint candidate for the Speaker's post. And the election now is going to take place tomorrow. This is for the first time in the history of independent India that the election for the Speaker's post is going to take place. Well, the government the NDA has pushed for Om Birla to be Speaker, whose nomination now has been filed. We are learning now the opposition has also filed nomination for its candidate. The opposition is pushing for its own candidate now. My colleague Maria now joins us on the broadcast here, getting us more on that. Maria, we are learning now Mr. K. Suresh now also has filed nomination as Speaker for the Lok Sabha from the India bloc.
Yes, that's right. But first, let's listen in to what Piyush Goyal had to say soon after that breakdown of communication between the opposition and the Treasury benches. Let's listen in to what Mr. Piyush Goyal has had to say.
लोकसभा का उपाध्यक्ष कौन होगा वो पहले तय करे, फिर अध्यक्ष के लिए समर्थन मिलेगा। इस प्रकार की राजनीति को हम की निंदा करते हैं और मुझे लगता है कि अच्छी परंपरा ये रहती है कि लोकसभा निर्विरोध एक सर्वसम्मति से अध्यक्ष चुनता तो लोकसभा की भी मर्यादा अच्छी रहती, सभी पक्ष का उसमें योगदान रहता और स्पीकर वैसे भी किसी सत्तारूढ़ पार्टी या विपक्ष का नहीं होता है, वो पूरे सदन का होता है। वैसे ही उपाध्यक्ष भी कोई पार्टी या दल का नहीं होता है, पूरे सदन का होता है और इससे उसमें सदन की सहमति हो, ऐसे शर्तों के आधार पर कि किसी एक पर्टिकुलर व्यक्ति या पर्टिकुलर पक्ष का ही उपाध्यक्ष हो, वो लोकसभा की कोई परंपरा में नहीं बैठता। धन्यवाद।
All right, Maria. So Mr. Piyush Goyal there saying that
the 18th
yes
is beginning. 18th Lok Sabha is beginning on a note of complete breakdown of communication between the government and the Treasury benches. There is a visible trust deficit. What you heard from Mr. K.C. Venugopal and also from Union Minister Piyush Goyal is that they want an assurance, and rightly so, the opposition wants an assurance that the deputy speaker's chair would be given to them, as has been the tradition in the past. The government says that first you support the speaker and then that process will begin, because the deputy speaker is a position which is usually settled after a few days. But what is clear now is that what we have not seen in independent India since 1947 will be playing out right now in 2024 in the 18th Lok Sabha, when an election will be happening for the post of the Speaker. Mr. K. Suresh, who's the senior most Member of Parliament from the India bloc, has filed in his nomination papers, and on the other hand you have Mr. Om Birla. So it will be an Om Birla versus Mr. K. Suresh election tomorrow. It is not as much about getting the numbers because, because it is about an unprecedented situation. Because the Speaker's chair is about bipartisan role. It's about ensuring that the Treasury benches and the opposition come together on crucial legislation. It is the role of a legislator. That is the reason why this is an important chair. And that's why, Sunil, we are saying that we have not seen this in so many Lok Sabhas, and now it is playing out in 18th Lok Sabha. So the tone and tonality on which the 18th Lok Sabha is beginning is of complete non-cooperation.
That's right, and I just want to fill in our viewers. I've been able to work the phone, speaking to India bloc leaders. What is surprising is that Mr. K. Suresh's nomination does not have Trinamool Congress. Trinamool Congress sources saying we haven't been consulted about the decision of Mr. K. Suresh filing in as the Speaker's post. So definitely there has been some kind of misunderstanding between the Congress and the Trinamool Congress. They haven't been able to speak to each other, whether they'll be able to sort that out, because please remember, the Trinamool Congress is an important party in the India bloc. They have 33 MPs, so it's definitely a cause, something that they will need to look at. And it's definitely a clear breakdown, as you said, in terms of parliamentary democracy between the opposition and the government. They haven't been able to reach a consensus and a way forward.